It's learning time with Bobpop. Hello, Bobpop. We're going to learn about fruits. Having 5 fruits a day keeps the doctor away. Do you know what fruit this is? It's a banana. Say it with me. Banana. Banana. Bananas are delicious. Yum, yum. Bananas are yellow and they're made of 75% water. A cluster of bananas are called a hand, and a single banana is called a finger. Let's sing the banana song.
We love bananas, get your banana, eat your banana. 5 a day, eat your bananas, it is gonna make you stronger. We love bananas, get your banana, eat your banana. 5 a day, eat your bananas, it is gonna make you stronger.
Let's do it again.
We love bananas, get your banana, eat your banana. 5 a day, eat your bananas, it is gonna make you stronger. We love bananas, get your banana, eat your banana. 5 a day, eat your bananas, it is gonna make you stronger.
Do you know what fruit this is? It's an apple. Say it with me. Apple. Apple. Apples are delicious. Yum, yum. Apples can be green or red. They also float because they are 25% air. Let's sing the apple song.
We love apples, get your apple, eat your apple. Crunch, 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 snapple, snapple. 5 a day, a crunchy apple. We love apples, get your apple, eat your apple. Crunch, 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 snapple, snapple. 5 a day, a crunchy apple.
Let's do it again.
We love apples, get your apple, eat your apple. Crunch, 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 snapple, snapple. 5 a day, a crunchy apple. We love apples, get your apple, eat your apple. Crunch, 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 snapple, snapple. 5 a day, a crunchy apple.
Do you know what fruit this is? It's a orange. Say it with me. Orange. Oranges have an orange colour. They are also round. Orange is a type of citrus fruit that grows on evergreen trees. Let's sing the orange song.
We love an orange, get your orange, eat your orange. 5 a day, eat your orange, then we're gonna make our porridge. We love an orange, get your orange, eat your orange. 5 a day, eat your orange, then we're gonna make our porridge.
Let's do it again.
We love an orange, get your orange, eat your orange. 5 a day, eat your orange, then we're gonna make our porridge. We love an orange, get your orange, eat your orange. 5 a day, eat your orange, then we're gonna make our porridge.
Do you know what fruit this is? It's a pear. Say it with me. Pear. Pears are green and yellow. They are high in fibre and offer vitamin C. Let's sing the pear song.
We love pears, we love pears. Get your pear and eat your pear. Chomp, 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 tasty pear. Slice it up and give it to share. We love pears, we love pears. Get your pear and eat your pear. Chomp, 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 tasty pear. Slice it up and give it to share.
Let's do it again.
We love pears, we love pears. Get your pear and eat your pear. Chomp, 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 tasty pear. Slice it up and give it to share. We love pears, we love pears. Get your pear and eat your pear. Chomp, 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 tasty pear. Slice it up and give it to share.
Do you know what fruit this is? It's a grape. Say it with me. Grape. Grapes come in bunches. They can be red, purple or green. They grow on beautiful vining plants. Raisins are dried grapes. Let's sing the grape song.
We love grapes, we love grapes. Get your grapes and eat your grapes. Green or purple, it doesn't matter. I'll eat them on a big platter. We love grapes, we love grapes. Get your grapes and eat your grapes. Green or purple, it doesn't matter. I'll eat them on a big platter.
Let's do it again.
We love grapes, we love grapes. Get your grapes and eat your grapes. Green or purple, it doesn't matter. I'll eat them on a big platter. We love grapes, we love grapes. Get your grapes and eat your grapes. Green or purple, it doesn't matter. I'll eat them on a big platter.
That was fantastic. I hope you learned all about fruits. Well done, everybody. High five. I hope you had a Bobpop in time.